Hi, I'm Kelly Brandis. I have little to no experience as far as research. I took a statistics class when I got my undergraduate degree. I really enjoyed that. I learned that I am better at math than I thought. As far as research, I know there was obviously information that I used to get my statistics, but I really don't remember where it came from or any of that because it was a long time ago. I'm pretty excited about the group project. I had an excellent experience previously and works with some really great classmates. So I'm hopeful that that will happen again. I am excited to deal with Excel and spreadsheets, kind of. I have a little bit of experience with doing it, but the whole concept of using formulas and all that is very daunting to me. And I'm hoping that by taking this class, I will get a better perspective and a better understanding to help me in the future. I love learning. I love researching things that I want to on my own. So I'm hoping that this will be beneficial and helpful to me for this class. I hope that we all do well, of course, and I look forward to working and meeting all of you. So here's to a good semester, guys. Thanks. Bye.